What's up, everybody? So like right now I'm gonna go to the phone repair shop because I just busted my phone. It doesn't even turn on, like the LCD or something is like broken inside. So I'm gonna go over there and see how much they charge to fix it real quick, and I'll catch you guys back when we're on the car. What's up? So like I just got my phone done already, and yesterday got kind of late on us, so like we're gonna start removing stuff today. And let me give you a walkthrough from what we have done already that I didn't record because my camera was kind of broken. So we took out these two fender liners, took out the transmission cover, the panel on the bottom, the exhaust. I forgot what it was called, but like, you know, we took that off, and we gotta change these two pieces right here because they're broken. And this piece right here, you gotta change it too because it's bad. So we're gonna keep taking off, removing stuff, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, and I forgot to tell you guys the cover of the transmission, like the front cover, it was cracked. So like, we don't know what we're gonna do with this. I don't know if we could fix that, but like we'll probably buy a new one. So now we're gonna start removing this, the back bumper, the two headlights, and see what we can do about this crap right here. Alright, so right now we gotta remove the rim because we can't get to the screws right here. So let's go do that real quick. The most complicated well, it's not complicated, I don't know how to do it. Like, there's like some hidden screws, I'm guessing.
Right now, he's basically saying that there's hidden screws, so we're gonna go ahead and find it. We're gonna be Dora the Explorer and try to find that shit. And then we'll catch you once we are actually removing the bumper. Alright, so right now we just found the hidden screw. You guys won't believe it. Well, some of you guys car enthusiasts might know, but that's behind this light right here. As you can see on this side. That is right there. Right now we're having trouble removing this one, but we're gonna remove that right now. But right now we need to remove this light and remove those 2 or 3 screws, and then we'll take off the bumper.
that screw is caught up right there. So like now we're gonna have to like, I don't know what we're gonna do about that, but we'll figure it out. Don't worry about it.
Trust me, you should trust us. We'll figure that shit out. No problem. Trust me. Catch y'all later. Okay guys, we just finished taking off the bumper. It was painful to be honest. Me and him got hurt doing it, but we chilling though.
Bro, the worst part was taking out this thing, bro.
The cable, bro, the cable. We was both struggling trying to take out the cable, but we officially took this off. Look how weird it looks without the bumper. People like the Corvette by the back too, but look at that. That thing is ripped out. Now, I'll let you know what we're gonna do next.
Alright everyone, so right now, we're gonna take out this airbag. And to take out this airbag, there's two holes that you just put like a little stick or anything, and like you just push a pin and this whole thing will come out. And this dash airbag, to take that out, we have to take off the whole dash and the whole center console, and then we have to replace this whole dash because they don't sell that like, you know, like they don't sell it separate. But let's start working on it. Alright, and I forgot to talk about these airbags. These airbags, I don't know what we're gonna do with them. We're probably gonna replace the seat, or I don't know what we're gonna do with them, but like we'll figure that out later. But for now, real quick, to see if we found any more damage in the rear.
In my opinion, I don't think there's any damage in the rear. I don't see anything except for
no real big damage, but
not really. Just spider webs and stuff.
I mean, right here is like, well, that's nothing pretty much. But I mean, no, right here is like cracked.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this rear, I forgot what it's called. Well, down. Oh, it's this whole freaking fiberglass back. It's all bent, it's all pushed in.
And look, it's all ripped up. It's crazy.
So we just found some hidden damage right now. So I'm guessing for that, we're gonna have to remove this metal, I forgot what it is called, but it has one in the front and the back. Whatever, this metal bar right here, because as you can see, this is all hit right here and it's all pushed in. So I'm guessing for this, we're gonna have to fix it and put more what is this? Fiberglass? No, it's not fiberglass. I think it is fiberglass.
What y'all little rascals doing, huh?
Alright, so the other car we wanted to show you guys is a Ferrari that's inside, but like we're gonna do a cinematics on that one because the music inside, we don't want to get
Copyrighted.
Copyrighted. So y'all will see the car right now.
if you guys like that cinematic we did about the cars that we fixed and fixing right now. But now we're gonna go back to removing the airbags and stuff from the car inside the interior of the car. So we're gonna come back when we're taking it all off. Finally managed to remove that airbag out of its own steering wheel. And when are we gonna get a new one?
I don't know, when everything's done. This is probably gonna be the last thing I'm gonna get.
The last thing? Alright, so the airbag is gonna be the last thing we're gonna like fix. No, yeah, basically the last thing. First are we gonna do the engine or the rear?
The engine part first.
Alright, so first we're gonna do the engine part.
To see if it'll turn on.
Yeah, we're gonna check the engine and see if we need to replace any parts, and then put it back where it's supposed to be, and then see if the car turns on. And if it doesn't, that's gonna lead to more problems, but hopefully it does though. And then once that turns on, we could probably worry about the back. That's it.
Yeah. And then comes the interior. The interior is gonna be the last thing we'll focus on, because you know, like the interior is not like a big problem like that. But alright, I don't know, is the video getting too much already, or like, I don't know if we still have time to finish this dash today, but like, if anything, we'll probably do a next video or something. I don't know, I'm not sure. Let's see.
Well, in the next video, we're gonna be taking out the whole dash and the whole center console. So I guess we're gonna catch y'all later. Yeah.
So I remember we left off, we were gonna catch you guys later, but the day is kind of ending and we don't have no more time, so we're just gonna edit our video today and then probably release it, I don't know, in a couple days or so. So remember to follow me on Instagram at YoungProjectsFL, because we're in Florida, you know how it is around here. So this is my boys BMW right here. I don't know what you guys think about it. It's pretty clean, that's what I think about it. So you got anything to say, bro?
Just follow me on Instagram at lyt.jp. Get me to 2,100 followers. You already know what it is. But
yeah. Make sure to like and comment on our video. And soon we will be coming up with more videos and more videos daily and stuff. So you know how it is. So I hope you guys love this new project that we got after the Mustang. You know how much I miss my Mustang after I saw that Mustang in the beginning of the video. But like, you know, so we'll just see you guys later, I guess. See you guys in the next video. So.
I'll see you on the next video. The next video we're gonna work on the dash and probably not the rear.
Probably like the engine and stuff.
Yeah, something.
So we'll see you guys next video.